Magandang hapon sa inyo mga ka-sensible incredible. Kamusta ba tayo dyan? Kape-kape muna tayo habang lumalamig ang panahon ulit. Kanina lang mga no? Ang init-init kanina tapos ngayon umuulan na naman. Ang topic natin ngayon mga ka-sensible incredible. By the way, back to home studios muna pala tayo, no? Kasi ngayon lang ulit bisita ng bahay. So, konting linis. Hindi pa naman kasi dito nag-i-stay mga ka-sensible incredible. So, yung anak ko kasi wala mag-aalaga, walang maiiwan dito. No? Kaya, doon muna kami nakatira sa biyenan ko. Doon kami nag-i-stay. So, siguro, pag negresa na si Mrs., saka na dito mag-i-stay. So, mga ka-sensible incredible, ito mga nakarang araw, di ba? Malamig siya, umuulan-ulan, di ba, mga ka-sensible incredible? Ang topic natin ngayon ay tungkol sa aircon. Tama-tama, paglalamig. Kayo ba mga ka-sensible incredible? Sanay ba kayo sa aircon, mga ka-sensible incredible? O electric fan? Nagaya na ito. Okay na sa inyo. Ngayon, ang topic natin tungkol sa aircon. Ito, sa No Camels. Masyadong yata. Hindi mabasa. Ayun, medyo. Okay, sabi dito mga sensible incredible. No wires, no electricity. World's first nitrogen-powered aircon. Ito daw aircon na to na na-invento nila, at ready for manufacture. Walang wire, walang electricity, tapos nitrogen ang nagpapagana. Mga sensible incredible. Di ba yung refrigerator natin, mga sensible incredible, or other cooling systems natin, aircon? So, madalas free yun ba ang tapos may electricity. Free yun kasi sa natin, di ba, sa refrigerator natin. Kaya yung mga ibang cooling systems natin, electricity ang gamit, no? Ito, nitrogen-powered aircon. So, sabi dito, startup patents breakthrough way to stay cool outside without harming the planet. Ibig sabihin, planet friendly rin itong product na to. So, hindi siya nag-contribute sa natin? Global warming. Sabi dito, liquid nitrogen is being used to power the world's first air conditioner that works without electricity. There are no wires, no power supply, and no greenhouse gas emissions. Ganda naman na ito. With the revolutionary Kensho unit. Yung pangalan ng unit. Air conditioning unit. Kensho unit. Which has been developed and patented in Israel. Sa Israel pala ito na-invento, mga ka-sensible incredible Kailan kaya ito lalabas sa Pilipinas? It simply, silently, and gently blows out a jet of freezing nitrogen. Simply, silently, gently blows out a jet of freezing nitrogen gas at 10 degrees Celsius or 14 degrees Fahrenheit that cools the surrounding area. The first models are to be piloted later this month at 6 restaurants in Tel Aviv. Ito pala mga ka-sensible incredible. Ko lang, August 7 to 2022. Binalita sa nocamels.com. So, sabi dito, yung first model nila, 6 restaurants sa Tel Aviv, doon sinubukan. And the company behind the invention, Green Kinoko. Green Kinoko yung pinaka-pinuno ng inventors o pinaka-nag-invento. Says they'll be ready to market the product in summer 2023. Next year. We have invented an outside air conditioner which doesn't need electricity. It creates its own energy. CEO Tal Leiser CEO Tal Lizer tells no camels. She says it's based on textbook physics. Wow! Outdoor, mga ka-sensible incredible. Ngayon lang nating narinig to Air conditioning unit na pwede sa labas. Ang galing, no? Tapos nitrogen ano pa? Nitrogen fueled, no? Hindi siya kailangan ng electricity, walang wire siya. Talaga? Di ba alam mo mga ka-sensible incredible, yung air conditioning unit, pag kulog ka, dapat sasarado mo yung bintana, sasarado mo yung pintuan, para yung lamig hindi lalabas. Ito mga ka-sensible incredible, napakalakas. So, nagbubuga ng malakas na na lamig. 10 degrees Celsius nagbubuga. Tapos, sa outdoor. Pwede mong gamitin sa outdoor. Actually, pang outdoor talaga. Ibig sabihin, no? Pag gagamitin mo, magka-camping kayo, no? Mga ka-sensible incredible. Or pupunta kayo kahit saan man, sa bundok or sa beach, no? Mag-outing, mag-hiking, di ba, no? So, sabi dito, everybody is amazed about how simple it is. How this energy was right under our nose. But we just hadn't taught how to use it. Cooling is a lot more difficult than heating. But we have a great solution. And being outside is a basic human need. So we are addressing that as well. Liquid nitrogen is widely used as coolant in many industries. Also, as we all know, no, itong nitrogen, ginagamit naman talagang coolant sa sa lahat ng industriya. But Lizer and her team hit on the idea of building on existing technology to develop a patented system with it to cool the outside air. Ang galing no? Bili mo air conditioning unit sa labas ginagamit. So, nasa yan? Outside air. We create the energy from the pressure that is created between liquid nitrogen and gas nitrogen, she says. So, energy created, hindi lang liquid nitrogen, pati gas nitrogen pala. We use liquid nitrogen at minus 196 degrees. When it turns into a gas, it creates a very strong pressure. And we use that pressure to activate a mechanical engine. Ang galing. Nobody has used liquid nitrogen before in this way, she says. Her team had been working with cryogenic, very low temperature, liquids in an unrelated project. Realize the potential value of nitrogen. Lizer, who also founded the tech consultancy firm Practical Innovation, said that she realized there was a gap in the market when she was on holiday in Rome. So ito pala si Lizer, founder din pala siya ng tech consultancy Practical Innovation, no? So sabi, it was the first time that we felt we couldn't sit outside in the middle of the day because it was so hot. She says it was 35 degrees Celsius. So, nasa labas sila, no? Alam na naman natin mga ka-sensible incredible. So, Israel, no? Saudi. Mainit talaga yan. Desierto dyan So, kaya pala naka-invento sila ng air conditioning na panglabas, no? Mga ka-sensible incredible. We look around and everything was empty. People didn't want to sit outside. Siyempre, sino bang mag-i-stay sa labas na 35 degrees Celsius? Yung iba pang lugar, umaabot ng 40, 41. I did some research and found out that in 2010, the average summertime temperature in Rome was 30 degrees to 31 degrees Celsius or 87 degrees Fahrenheit. 10 years later, it was 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Ang init, no, mga ka-sensible incredible. A lot of cafes and restaurants can't welcome their clients in the middle of the day because it's too hot outside. 2 years and several million R&D dollars later, Green Kinoko, based in Shefaim in central Israel, has the first working prototypes of a machine that could rewrite the rules of outdoor air conditioning. Yung i-rewrite nila, no? Yung sinasabi nating air conditioning na pangloob lang. Ito hindi, panglabas, no? We are now calculating the carbon footprint. We are using liquid nitrogen, which is byproduct of the oxygen manufactured for hospitals. And our device emits nitrogen, an inert gas that we are breathing, says Lizer. Compare that to other air conditioners o compare sa ibang air conditioning system with gas that is toxic and polluting. Oo nga, no? Hindi nyo ba napapansin mga ka-sensible incredible? Minsan yung aircon ang baho ng amoy. Kahit yung mga ka-sensible incredible. Aircon sa sasakyan, no? Minsan, parang siya, kakaiba yung amoy niya. Compare that to other air conditioners with gas that is toxic and polluting. We don't have any polluting gases. And we don't consume electricity. An electric air conditioner adds heat to the atmosphere. We have an alternative that doesn't add heat to the atmosphere. Ang ganda. Our technology solves many environmental challenges such as greenhouse gas emissions, electricity consumption, noise, and humidity creation. So, greenhouse gas, ang ganda na, ang daming mga benefits niya. Greenhouse gas emissions, hindi natin problemahin. Hindi tayo magbabayad ng malaki sa kuryente. Walang ingay, no? Tapos nagke-create pa ng humidity. Ang ganda na itong product na to. The cooling solution makes outdoor living a pleasant experience and helps combat global warming. Owners will typically have to replace the nitrogen every 7 to 10 days depending how much they use it. Yun lang. Magkano naman kaya yung nitrogen na yan? No? Baka naman napakamahal niyan. Every 7 to 10 days, kailangan mo ni-replace yung nitrogen liquid nitrogen. Depende sa gamit mo. Siyempre, yung nitrogen liquid, sa kanila mo rin bibili, mga ka-sensible incredible. Electric outdoor air conditioners use a water evaporation process to generate a cold breeze. They're power hungry because instead of cooling a room with closed windows, they're bringing down the temperature in the great outdoors. So, yung iba pang air conditioning unit, mga ka-sensible incredible, yung iba pang nilalagyan mo ng yelo, nilalagyan mo ng tubig, no? Tapos, nagpo-produce ng cold breeze. Cold breeze. Kaya lang, sabi nila, power hungry yun. Imbis na pinalalamig mo yung closed window, pinapababa mo yung temperatura. We have invented a new generation of air conditioners, says Lizer. The technology is unique and amazing. The company already has facilities to produce the machines at scale for Israel as well as its next target market, the UAE. Wow. It is now looking for investors to take the product globally. Kung ako lang may pera, mga ka-sensible incredible, mag-i-invest ako dyan. Ang ganda ng product kasi. The price to the consumer is likely to be similar to conventional electric machines. The price for the planet will be less. So, ito siya, mga ka-sensible incredible. Ayan. Yan yung itsura ng yung air conditioning unit nila na outdoor. Okay. No wires, no electricity, nitrogen fueled, liquid nitrogen powered. Okay. So, yun, mga ka-sensible incredible. I hope itong itong air conditioning unit na to, makarating kaagad ng Pilipinas, no? Sana may mag-invest kaagad. At sigurado ko, pag dumating to sa Pilipinas, dudumugin to. Lama, kasi sensible and credible, biro mo naman, no? Pero baka sa unang labas nito, baka, malay mo, baka 200,000 ang isang unit. Di kaya mahal to, mga ka-sensible and credible. Kasi biro mo, portable, no? Sa labas, pwede mong dalhin. So, ayun. Hanggang sa susunod natin pagbablog, mga ka-sensible and credible. Baka try kong makapag-vlog ng tungkol kay BBM. God bless po. And to God be the glory po. Si Jo Marie Pascual po for Sensible Pinoy TV.